Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another program of our board program file. The question is that you have to write a program to create a binary file that contains roll number, name and marks. You have to input a roll number and update the marks. That means firstly you have to search the roll number given by the students, and if you found that particular roll number, that you have to update the marks of that particular roll number. So for this children, firstly we are going to create a binary file with 2 or 3 records in it. Firstly, we import a pickle module because we are working with binary file. After that, we will open the file in write mode for creating a file with the help of open function. This is the file name student.dat, and we have opened it in write mode. Now we are declare here a nested list. After this, we apply a loop for 2 or 3 students, whatever we want. We take input from the user roll number, integer, input, enter roll number, after that take input name is equal to input, enter name, input marks is equal to float, input, enter marks, and store this roll number, name and marks in a list. S is equal to roll number, name, marks, and append this list in a nested list, T dot append S. In this way, we take 2 or 3 records and append it in a final list T. Now we are going to write this nested list in a binary file with the help of dump function. Pickle dot dump T comma F. Now close the file with the help of close function. After that, we are going to open the file in RB plus mode. In RB plus mode, children, why we open the file in RB plus mode? Because we have to perform reading and writing operation both. Because when we find the record, then we have to update it, and the updation will be done within a file. That means we have also performed write function also. So first we open the file in read mode like this. F is equal to open student.dat. Here we take RB plus because we have to perform both the operation. Firstly reading operation. When we perform read operation, read the record one by one. When we find the record, then we have to update the record, and updation is done in the form of writing within a file. So we have to open it in the RB plus mode, and we know very well in RB plus mode, firstly reading operation perform, after that writing will be performed. Okay. Now we are going to ask the user which roll number he or she want to search. R is equal to integer input, enter roll number to be searched. Enter roll number to be searched. Now we are going to read all the records from the file with the help of load function, pickle.load F. Now we are going to display all the records. Print P. These are the original records before updation. Okay. We will set one indicator, flag is equal to 0 here, because on the basis of this indicator we are going to decide that either we come out from the loop by executing the complete loop, or we come out in between with the help of break statement. Okay. Now apply loop in this. For I in P, I contain one record and P is the records in the form of nested list. From this we will take one record, okay, at a time. Then we know very well roll number is present at ith 0th location and marks present or I2 location. Okay, so firstly we are going to match the record roll number with the user defined roll number like this. If I0 means to say the roll number is stored in a record, double equal to user defined roll number, then what we have to do, children? If we found the record, then what we have to do? We have to update the marks of that particular student, and marks are stored on I2 index. That means if we found the record, then what we have to do? We ask the updated marks at the I2 location. Okay, I2 is equal to float input enter updated marks. Enter updated marks. Okay, and set the flag is equal to 1 and come out from the loop. Now when we come out from the loop, we are going to check the value of the indicator flag. That decide either we come out from the loop in between or by executing the full loop. Here we check if flag double equal to 1. That means we found the record. Okay, and here the marks are updated, but the marks are updated in a list, not written on a file. Note one more thing, children. Here when we update the marks at I2 location and this record I is stored on the P nested list, that means we can say the updation will be directly performed on P. Okay, so we have to, if we found the record, then we again dump this P nested list in a file with the updated marks. Okay, or we can say updated record. So what we have to do? If we found the record, then we write the updated record within a file again with the help of this pickle dot dump P, F. Finally, you have to print the P to see the updated record. Else means to say the value of flag remains 0. It will be in the case when we iterate the full loop, but we not found the record. So else print record not found. Record not found. Now finally close the file. So children, I hope you understand this program very well. Please perform it on computer. And for today, that's all. Now we will discuss other program in other videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.